Almost guaranteed that.
And I'll be your safari guide as we head out onto the Harambe Wildlife Reserve. Before we head out onto the reserve, I ask that everyone remain seated with hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the truck. You're also going to want to hold on to all loose items as the roads out here can get pretty bumpy. Forest. Animals found here have natural camouflage that help them blend into their environment. And just behind it, an okapi a little ways up the opposite hill there on our right. Now the saddle-billed stork gets the name from that pompous yellow. Now the black rhino weighs 3,000 pounds and can charge at 30 miles an hour. They're one of 5 different species of rhino in the world, and they are on the smaller side of the rhino species. Well, just up ahead on our right-hand side again, we do have another antelope species. This one's the greater kudu. Now they're one of the taller antelope species at about 55 inches at the shoulder. They tend toward these smaller groups of anywhere from 2 to 10. And these groups are usually either all... As we continue down the hill up ahead of us, out on our right-hand side where the river starts over there, we can see a number of pink-backed pelicans. Now they get the name from the pinkish coloration they have during mating season, and they're colonial nesters. This means they'll nest in groups as large as 500. It's also known as the upside down tree for the fact that they go leafless like this up to 9 months out of the year. And as we make our way north, the day continues to heat up.
A giraffe!
Here at the bottom of the hill, these are a number of Maasai giraffe and the smaller antelope species just past them there on the right, known as the springbok. Now the springbok is the smallest antelope species on the reserve, one of the top 10 fastest land animals in the world as well, reaching speeds of 52 to 60 miles an hour. Well, named for that unique ink blot-like coloration of their coats, they're an extremely social mammal, coming together in groups as large as 30. Now, while they are part of the canine family, their vocalizations tend to be on the higher range, including close here on the right-hand side and up ahead on the left. We can tell individuals part based entirely on their coats, as each pattern is unique to an individual, much like a human fingerprint. And we can also tell different species of zebra apart based with their certain turn and widen out on their back legs that is specific to the part. Now the Disney Conservation Fund also helps to support a number of projects that, as well as on our left, some more Maasai giraffe and some wildebeest. The wildebeest are hanging out in the shade of the bushes here next to the roadside on our left. There's view there over our left, right-hand shoulder. Now, one of their more prominent features for the African elephant are their tusks, as both male and female African elephants have them.
Oh, that's cute.
Special plate on the inside upper portion of their beaks. As you can see here closer to us when they're feeding, they actually hold their head upside down in the water to get that plate in their back into the savannah. Here we've got some white rhino coming up. Now, whereas the black rhino we saw a glimpse of in the Little Ituri Forest weighs around 3,000 pounds, can charge at 30 miles an hour. The white rhino here on our left-hand side, they can reach 5,000 pounds and charge at 35 miles an hour. Very poor eyesight. Their eyesight isn't good, so even that close probably couldn't see us too well. They rely mainly on their sense of sound and their sense of hearing and sense of smell in order to tell what's going on around them. Now, the white rhino in particular actually gets its name from the Afrikaans word by a shaggy brown coat, and they're known as the waterbuck. Now, waterbuck, as their name suggests, hang around larger bodies of water for most of their lives. Because of this, the one
Bila pa ba? Here. Dito kita iba. Sabi niya. Oh wait, yeah, she's up the street. Wow.
It's running.
Okay, two.
Mira que ahora todo bueno, porque no es buena idea la comida.
Dormirá sobre el luz. Maki.